Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it your goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you'll learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 74, NASDAQ up 26, S&P's up 11.5, gold contract up $2.70, traded at $1,330 an ounce. Silver up 11 cents at $21.26 an ounce. Platinum up $19 at $1,453 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 70 cents at copper. Where am I? Yeah, copper. Down a half a penny at $3.23 a pound. Light sweet crude off 35 cents at $102.24. Bonds. 10-year bond up 6 ticks, trading at a 126.09. The 30-year up 17 ticks at 134.20. King dollar down 158 ticks, trading at 80.34. The euro up 24 at 137, and the yen, folks, down 28 ticks at 102.09. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? Okay, so if we get over to the futures first, what you're going to see is this. The futures close, well, they're trading right now. They're at 1853.75. Now, the high, the spike, that'll be a closing high, by the way. They get another 15 minutes. I expect they'll probably, they'll stay up there. What you have is this. The high that was actually established was the spike high of 1856.75. That high was established on Monday. You know, we'll see how it handles that high. If we go over to the SPY and take a look at the SPY, what you'll see is this. The SPY is at 185.82, and that is over all the closing highs. That means that, guess what? You can push higher. No juice behind the move, no doubt. You're at 621 versus 670. We'll see where it shakes out. Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow is this. Dow basically is up 74 bucks. Still a sideways move. You're still coming into ice. The high of Monday was 16,300. We're at 16,272. The composite and the NASDAQ composite, both the composite, the SPY, I'll go the QQQ, all of those, folks, what they had done is this. They got to a new high. They couldn't handle the new high. They pulled back off it. If we take a look at what you had here, the Qs were trading at 90.53 at 2 o'clock. Within 20 minutes, they came all the way back to 90.22. Not that it's a huge amount, but that's a failure. Went sideways, and it's the last trades of the day. The last trades of the day were pretty neat, actually. I'm going to show you how an operator works, and this is good. This is a large fund, folks. So the last trades of the day, even though the Qs were trading at a price point of 90.17, someone came in with a nice order at 90. Let me get this trade, because you're going to see this. This happened in all the indices, and this is called a mark-to-market. So they came in at 90.44. That's what they did. Now, the reason, there's a couple different reasons you do that. You want to, if you're a fund manager, you want it to close over the high. But what also ends up happening is this. So watch this. Now, watch. I'm going to bring the SPY up so you can see what happens with this correlation, because this gets really wild. And this has to do with market to market, the whole portfolio. When you take a look at the SPY, the SPY is at 185.82. And what you have here, when that trade went through, the trade went through 50 cents higher. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but that is a huge amount of money when the portfolio gets marked to market and you simultaneously get it over the highs. Small caps. We go take a look at the small caps. You pull up the IWM, the Russell 2000. We take a look at the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is at 117.99. The high of yesterday was 118.11. Bottom line, we'll see if they can hang up and stay at these higher prices. Bonds. We go to the bond market. What you have with the bond market is this. The 10-year bond, 1.3 million shares out here today. We are at 126.09, and the B point on this, folks, is 126.16. We got to 126.13 today. The B point is 1.6 million. It's going to go after it tomorrow morning. I suspect tomorrow morning we're going to go after that B point. We go take a look at the 30-year bond. What we have the 30-year bond is this. She did 447,000 contracts. Now, the 30-year launched the swing high of October 23rd. That in itself, that's 134.08. That in itself, folks, is saying that the 30-year wants to go to the 141 level. 141 level is a big level. No two ways about that. Gold market, what we have with gold out here is this. You get a sideways move in gold, up $3.40. No juice behind the move. I suspect the gold's going to basically have a tough time tomorrow. We'll see where that shakes out, but coming into a Friday, it's never a cool deal in the gold market when, in fact, it's been a little weak. King dollar. King dollar tried to get to a higher high today, couldn't handle it. She's still building cause. We got to a price point of 80.60, pulled back off that level, had 19,000 contracts. And in order to get to higher price, the King dollar is going to have to also get more volume going to the top side. After the close out here, we have Gap. A GPS. Gap closed at $46.68. That's trading at 43.01 right now. Numbers on Gap go like this. Okay, the fourth quarter, they're boosting their dividend from 20 cents to 22 cents. Their sales, compatible sales, were up 1%. Their estimate for the year estimate was 303, and they're revising that down to 290. So the Gap is pulling back slightly. We go take a look at CRM. This is Salesforce, I believe. Salesforce closed at $66.22. She is trading at $64.57, and all that has done is given back what it was up today in trading. Numbers in Salesforce go like this. Their revenue is up 37%. They took fourth quarter revenue at $1.1 billion. They're saying they actually lost money. Fourth quarter loss, 19%, 19 cents per share. Not sure why that's the fact. We go take a look at Salesforce. We put this on a 10-year monthly. She just continues to march forward. That's the bottom line. A 10-year monthly, you go back to 2008, this was a $5 stock at $66 right now. SPLK, let's see what we have here. This is a web-based application software company that was up $2.54 today at $95.50. Right now she is trading at 92, so she just gave back what she had today. Revenue, the estimate was 5 cents. They only took in 3 cents. That's the bottom line. Top line, they did have more revenue. The estimate was 90 million. They took in 99 million. So not bad in that context. 877-927-6648. We get, let's see, ROST. This is Ross Stores. That closed at $72.31. That's trading at $70.01 right now. And she's been in a downtrend. Let's see what they're saying. Their fourth quarter. Okay, so the estimate was year-end quarter four. Compatible sales up 1 to 2%. The sales, oh, here it is. Okay. So the estimate was, top line estimate, $2.7 billion. They took in $2.7 billion. They missed it by 100,000, so it's not bad. It's not even close. Earnings, $1.15. Bottom line is, though, what you have, what Ross, is that she was $82 stock. She's trading at $70 right now. And when you do take a look at this little baby, she has some heavy resistance to going higher. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.